Good morning, user. It's me, Civil Engineering Info. Today we will today we will learn about brakes. Brakes, bond, are a essential part of wall structure. Brake is a standard size weight bearing building units. Several brakes are laid together in stacks. Mortar paste and placed on the top of each to form a frame bond are laid to frame from the structure. There are different ways in which bricks are termed or bonds. Viewers and watcher, please subscribe Civil Engineering Info for more watching updates and press the bell icon for civil engineering related video. Brick is a building unit which is in the form of rectangular blocks in which length to breadth ratio to but height can be different. Construction of buildings unit bonded together with mortars. The art of applying bricks and mortar in a proper systematic manner gives the homogeneous mass which can withstand force without disintegration called brick masonry. Brick masonry unique fire resistant size, durability, workability, and economical. Brick will be not burn, buckles or melt. Brick will be not and allow tramates to unwind. Brick will be not rust and corrode. Brick will be not dent. Brick is a building material which we used in construction. Brick will be not paid from the sun's UV rays. Bricks will be not damaged by high winds, rain, and hails. Brick is a generally used in buildings and for partition of walls. Bricks will be not reoccur consultant maintenance. Brick will not devalue. Brick will not limit your personal expansions. Brick will be not limit your design option. Today this is my video about bricks. Bricks is a building material which size is 9 inches. Its width is 4.5 inches and its height is 3.5 inches. This is our video today in my channel Civil Engineering Info and video last. I am requested to all please like, share and subscribe my channel.